Welcome back to a brand new video. So today we're gonna play Subway Surfers. Let's get into this. Let's change our avatar real quick. Make sure you have subscribed and hit that like button and the notification bell too. Who should we select? Should we get Fresh or just? Let's get this guy here, Frank. Let's get Frank. Oh, rewards. Oh, 5 keys, nice. Nice, okay, nice. Okay, wait a minute. Let's roll, I guess. I have not uploaded, like, videos in like so long, like almost a week ago. I don't know why though. I had to do my homework. It was like so long. Anyways, because today's Sunday, I'm free, so I could upload a video right now. And yeah. Get down, up, down, side, 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 right, left, right, left, right, right. Oh, that was so close. Okay, get the letter, jump, jump, not jump, I mean slide over, slide, slide, jump. Okay. Seems like I'm actually a big noob at this game. Oof! Oh, I thought I was about to die right there. Okay, get the O. Oh, just one more. Get the T. I just need one more to T. Oh no! Okay, great. I died. I'm not gonna spend any keys because, yeah, no one likes that. How much is my battery? 39. Okay. Enough, I guess. Let's get here. There. Guys, make sure you've subscribed to my YouTube channel and smash that like button on this video, I mean. And hit that notification bell so you guys know whenever I post videos, you get notified. And yeah, well, I completed the robot thingy-majig. Let's get here. Go there. And guys, do you guys want me to play Fortnite? Because I actually got a new iPad. So I actually can, and I'll also go to PS4, so I can actually make Fortnite videos now. If you want, I can. Okay, comment down burger if you want me to play Fortnite. And yeah. Oh, that was a slight turn, like a quick, you know how you make quick scopes? Just like a quick turn. I'm so bad. Oh my god, what am I doing? I'm so bad at this. I got 200 points somehow. Oof! Oh no. Oh no! Ooh, that was close. Okay. And comment down your Roblox username down below so I can friend you. Oh no! Oh, that was so close. That was close indeed. I thought that was a train coming from that thing. Right? Okay, oh, this is the best. This is the best. I love this. You know when you get like 3 lanes of coins? Oh, let's pretend that didn't happen, okay? Okay. That was pretty weird kind of fish. Okay. And let's go to the shop. Collect money. We get money that I don't need. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Okay, let's run to another game. Another game. I mean. To all those YouTube fans out there, you're the best. Like, seriously, you're the best. Jump. Jump, slide, jump. Jump, slide, jump. Jump, slide, jump. I didn't really slide there, but you know. Jump, slide, jump. Jump, slide, jump! Oh! Oh! The music is like pretty Gucci on this mystery box, okay. Up and down, up and down. Make sure you subscribe to Cyber Gamer Lava because he's my friend too. And yeah. Hoverboard. Okay guys, I guess this is the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button and that notification bell so you guys know whenever I upload videos.